Hello, smart investors. This is another opportunity for you to own part of OBAFEMI Awolowo in Ikeja, Lagos State, Nigeria. Just have some square meters here. Commercial property meant for business activities only. Even if you don't have any business here, you can buy to resell later. You can buy to rent out. When you talk about cash flow properties and rental income, this is the right investment for you. Here at GROSVENORS PLACE in Ikeja, very close to Computer Village, this is where we have the head office of SLOV, that is the guru of gadgets. These are some reasons why you have to key into this property. It is a prime location. It is near the domestic and international airport. There is high foot traffic. You know, anywhere there is high foot traffic, this attracts many people daily. It is a business hub, central commercial area in Lagos. That is OBAFEMI Awolowo Way, Ikeja. There's always ongoing development here that boasts value of this property. There's economic growth in Lagos. There's rental income steady from high demand. There's also fast property value increase. There's also government support, favorable business policy that favors investors, security, well secured commercial area, and also high resale value. I'm going to tell you more reasons why this property you have to key in. When we are talking about the landmark of this property, it is fantastic. Let's talk about the Lagos State House of Assembly, the Lagos State Secretariat, Lagos State Government House, the Lagos State Teaching Hospital, Ikeja Bus Terminal, Computer Village, Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Sheraton Hotel, Ikeja Mall, and more. These are the landmarks of this GROSVENORS Place in Ikeja, OBAFEMI Awolowo Way. Remember what this area stands for when it comes to investment in Lagos State. 2 million naira per square meter. We are just launching this property today. Don't wait until you hear price increase because the rush is massive.
Investors, welcome today to a tour. Today is a different story altogether on this channel. How to watch me on this tour from the beginning of this video to the end. Today we are unveiling commercial property only at Allen Avenue. This is OBAFEMI Awolowo at Allen Avenue, Ikeja, the seat of power. And from here, just 2-minute drive to the Alausa Secretariat. There are so many landmarks, notable landmarks here. Here is a 2-minute drive to Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Computer Village, and others. This is where real estate market is trending. That is commercial real estate market is trending in Allen Avenue. That is Ikeja. That is where this property is situated today. I'm introducing to you a property that you want to buy and have a maximum return on investment within a short period of time. And this property is selling for a square meter 2 million naira, and the launch of this property is today. The only thing you have to do is take advantage of this pre-launch price before the price go up. We all know about shops here, how they don't waste time to fly. Why coming, why showing you the video? All the shops, all the malls in this location, in this route, they are all occupied. Why are they all occupied? Because of the need for commercial investment and investors. High investors who see the future before others, they're not spending in profits along this corridor, along this avenue. Just initial deposit you're good to go, and they have a very good center. That is deed of conveyance. Other details you're going to see in the description video. Let me welcome you to the MD of this property to speak so they hear from the office mouth what they have said about the property and the need for you to invest. Don't miss the golden opportunity. This opportunity comes only for you. They'll be looking out for this kind of property. Now is the time for you to invest. This is Charity Bashu and Rate Per Sqm. What more videos on this channel?
This is the stage in which we are now. Remember, this is a very hot selling location at Awolowo Road in Ikeja. All the shops here are occupied. We're going to hear from the horse's mouth, from the MD of this company, and also how this place is selling very fast. From the road network, you can see that all the shops here, they are occupied. The best investment for you right now is here. Eagle Eye investor, they don't joke with this kind of property. Imagine you buy about 10 square meters and you're selling in the future. You're buying for 2 million naira per square meters and you buy 10 square meters. How much is it? And within a short time, within 5-6 months, you're selling this in billions. Think about it. The right time for you to invest is now. As you're going to hear more details and more explanation of this property from the horse's mouth. Watch more videos on this channel.
And then we have the MD himself, Mr. Philip. Very, very important. Your clients will love it here. How much do they rent a square foot here of shop spaces? For those of us on the mainland, right, we have an idea. At least they will rent nothing less than 4 to 6 million naira per annum, depending on the kind of business. Now, office spaces, you know, they charge you by square meter, right? And that's a lot of money. And they're giving you opportunity. You're giving your clients opportunity, and you yourself opportunity to buy at 2 million naira per square meter. We even have as low as 12 square meter, right? What does it mean? It means that you can come together almost just a cash out to, you understand, put your money together and you buy 12 square meter and you rent it out. When you're smiling, nobody will know how God is blessing you, because one, you use your wisdom to own a lot of shops, so you can do that together or even on your own. Some of us are big boys here now. We're all billionaires. After all, we're billionaire realtors. So we can own this, yeah? No more wasting time. And for the fact that you're realtors and you're keen into this project, I'm sure Mr. Philip will give some consideration. For those of us here that are billionaires, that's if you agree that you're a billionaire. Then for your clients, this is an awesome investment for them to make. Seriously, an awesome investment. You're investing about 40 to 60 million naira, and then you're earning about 6 billion naira per annum. And then the next time, I know that some of you will be like, 10 years time, 60 million. No, don't forget that rental income also increases. You understand? It increases. And don't forget, it is yours for life. Whether you decide to sell now or you decide to resell in future, you're selling way, way above. We all know apartments that we sold at 55 million. Today they are worth 120 million. So if your client is paying about 40 to 60 million naira for just one shop size. Now imagine how much he or she will be thinking of reselling in the next 5 to 6 years. They'll be begging, I beg, go pay 150. Do you understand? Because the location is everything. And in terms of real estate, location. Title. Two very important factors you should always consider. So I want to quickly call on Mr. Phillips to just give us a welcome address on, say, GROSVENORS Place. In my mind, I think he loves this GROSVENORS Place more than every other project. I am sure we've seen everything. So let's welcome Mr. Phillips. A round of applause for Mr. Phillips.
Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. You're a perfect business manager. I think I should hire you. Do you all agree I should take Lulu away? Do you all agree I should take Lulu away? PLG! Good morning, everybody. Thank you all for coming this early, beautiful morning. I want to appreciate you guys for always being there for us and thanking you for this very bespoke project. I have with me behind my team, and I'm sure you know virtually everyone here. Manara will be taking us through the specifics of this project. But I want to say a big thank you, and I want to wish you good sales. Just like Lulu has said, this is a prime location, and it not just gives you rental value, but also the value of the project itself appreciating year in, year out. So at the end of the day, you not just have you can guarantee your clients superior return on investments. The titles are sale. We also have proposing projects from Lagos State. Everything is verified. So at this stage, you know you are all sealed up. And for what she said, the beauty about the project is that you can go as low as 10 to 12 square meter minimum. And for those of you who are personally interested, you can give us a direct call. You or 2, 3 or 4 of you could come together to pick 10, 12, 20 square meters. At the end of the project, you could resell or you could own it for life. I like to reiterate the price we are giving are rock bottom and are very competitive. You cannot get 2 million naira per square meter for every square meter for a project like this on Awolowo Ikeja. It's the golden opportunity of a lifetime for yourselves and also for your clients at the end of the day. By the time the project ends in 18 months, you are sure of selling for 100% double that amount. The minimum that will be going for will be at least 4 million naira per square meter. So this is a win-win all the way for each and every one of us. Thank you, everybody. I'll hand over to Malala, who will take us through briefly, and then we can all continue having fun.
So, good morning, everybody. So you're welcome to GROSVENORS Place, the vantage point for Ikeja. Trust me, you can't find this anywhere else. You can't find such heights of luxury anywhere else, especially for this kind of price. Just like the MD said initially, it's at a rock bottom price. And guess who should actually benefit from this right now? It should be you and your investor. You know why your investor should benefit from this? Because you care about your investors' funds and you want to help them create value. So I present to you the GROSVENORS Place, a premium commercial real estate project that offers value for your investment, and of course put some money in your pocket, because everything still balls on you making some money for yourself and of course giving value to your investors. So this place is a combination of work, shop and play, and this is sectioned according to the floor. So we have the ground floor for the shop aspect that can take as low as 12 square meters, that can take as low as 10 square meters, that can take the co-owned space and there. And then we have the work section, which is the second and then the third floor. So we're talking about the banks, we're talking about corporate offices, we're talking about the fintechs, and then we have the fourth floor, which is the play. So for play, we're talking about gyms, we're talking about restaurants. So this edifice actually covers all areas of business. So for the shop owners, they can take it down. The middle floor, second and third, is for the retail owners, the corporate spaces, and then the up floor is for the play aspect, which is the restaurant, and then the gym, and then whatever sector you find in the play aspect. Now this is premium, so we understand that the GROSVENORS Place is premium, and so we do not want to muddle up the shop with the work and the play, so that we can give premium value to the investors who are here because they want to work. So there's going to be a section that separates the down floor, which is the shop aspect, from the premium subscribers. So we are very intentional at actually giving value to your customers. Now this particular project, just like I said, is workshop and play. The prices are also in tandem to that. So for the shop area, we have 10 square meters, and then we call it standard. And then for the large, which is the work, I'm sure this flyer will go around soon after I'm done with this. So for the large, we have between 30 square meters to 50 square meters, which is of course for the offices, fintech shops, you know. And then the premium, we have 50 square meter to 100 square meter. And then we have the grand, which is 105 square meter to 210. So that's like half of the floor and then full of the floor. So half of each floor is 105 square meter. So you can get a gym investor who wants to take half of this. So you will go for 105 or 210 square meters. So we have managed and brought this investment so that every aspect, every commercial aspect of business can benefit for this. I think December Works deserves a round of applause for that. Thank you very much. So we have 0 to 6 months. We even have as high as 12 months. And just like the MD said earlier, we are committed to making sure that this building, your investors can get their keys in 18 months. Thank you very much. I don't know if you have questions.